Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Charlene from All She Owns, and today we are going to work on my brows. You've seen me without them, and I don't know actually if you've seen me prior to, but with all that aside, I'm going to show you how I do my brows lately because with this journey, I've realized I've got a lot of real estate. There should be no reason why I don't have bushy brows, except for the fact that I just don't have hair on my eyebrows. So let's get to work. The first step to dealing with my brows is to actually push up on each of the hairs. So I'm going to take a spoolie brush and my compact mirror and just push up on my brows. I want to create the illusion of thicker brows, so I need to push my brows up to see how high I can actually build my brows. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil and I'm going to start building my foundation. Now I'm taking the spoolie end and I'm going to push product around just to try to get a gradient at the front of my brow. So as you can see, this brow is thicker. I've done that by taking my brow pencil and just drawing a single line directly above where my brow ends. Now, my next step, I'm gonna take some glycerin soap. This I actually made myself. You don't have to buy Pond's, it just has to be glycerin soap. Take a spray bottle, spray this. Then take your spoolie brush again and just give it a dibbity dab. Cover it with some soap. And we're going to push up on our brows once again, taking care not to remove product as we are pushing up. Then you're going to take the handle of the spoolie brush and just push up on your face. Get those brows nice and flat. Okay, then you're going to take a different spoolie brush and you're just going to gently push or brush the hairs that are surpassing the border that you've made, just to put them back in line. If you've smudged a little bit, it's not that bad. We're gonna go over it with some concealer. So I'm going in with my NYX HD Studiogenic and just making a line above my brow and under it. This is actually really good because it covers up the fine little baby brow hairs that are popping up, waiting to join your face. Now, the last little thing, if you are still kind of concerned about little spots on your face, I am taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and it's got a much smaller head than the Goof Proof. I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna tidy up any patches or any place that the concealer went over that I didn't want it to go over. And there you have it. This, my friends, is how I put my eyebrows on every single day. I hope this was useful to you. If you like this kind of video, give me a thumbs up and comment below. Otherwise, subscribe and tune in for my next video. Take care.